Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna see how we can use WhatsApp on two different mobile phones with the same number. So let's get started. So first of all, install the WhatsApp on second device you want to use. Now simply open it and choose the language and then tap on this arrow button. Now tap on this agree and continue button. Now on this screen tap on this three dot menu button and then simply select this option of link as companion device. Now here you will get a QR code along with some instructions, and now you have to follow these steps. Now simply open WhatsApp on your primary phone and simply tap on this three dot menu button, and if you are using iPhone then you have to tap on setting button. Now simply tap on link a device and simply scan the QR code, and after the successful scan of the QR code you will get this logging in message on your primary phone and you will get an initializing message on the linked phone. After the completion of the process you will get the WhatsApp chat on both of your devices, but don't close the app on both of your devices. As you can see here right now, WhatsApp is syncing your message and that's why you have to keep the app open. And also if you want to log out from the linked devices, then simply in the list tap on the device which you want to log out. So this was the way by which you can use WhatsApp on two different devices with the same mobile number. Hope it helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.